Hmm. You throwing your peanut shells on the ground? What are you eating, Quinn?
Some peanuts.
Some nuts? Do you like nuts? Who else likes nuts?
Pop.
Pop?
Yeah, Pop.
And who else?
And Daddy.
Daddy. And who else?
And me.
And you? Nan Dad likes nuts too.
Who's that?
Little boy down the street. Weren't there some nuts in the granola Nan Dad sent you? Did you have a good day at school? Yeah, what'd you do? Anything good?
Why we have a candle on and blow bugs away?
Yeah, the candle's on to keep the bugs away.
Why?
Because there's lots of bugs.
You keep them away.
I try to. I try to keep them away. Are you tired? Don't blow the candle out. Are you all done eating nuts? Are we going to go inside now?
No, I still eating.
Still eating. Okay.
Oh,
Whoop!
a people is slippery already.
Yeah, the paper on the peanuts is slippery, isn't it?
Uh-huh. They are.
There you go. Get that one. Don't let it slip out.
We need to take it out and rub it.
Good job.
It's a paper.
And don't worry about taking the paper off. You can eat the paper.
Oh, baby.
See what happens when you try and take the paper off? You're left with just the paper.
This I should take another one.
Okay, get another one.
How about this one?
Okay.
Remember, don't touch this.
Why not?
Because you don't cuss it.
You don't want me to touch it?
No, don't cuss it with this big teeth.
Don't touch it with my big teeth?
Yeah.
Okay.
No. Yeah, bite it.
No. You trying to pop it open? You want me to help? Oh, you do it. Is that how you're supposed to do it? I don't think the dentist would be very happy. Remember, eat this one with the paper on. Because once you take the paper off, it's too slippery and it falls on the floor. A lot of peanuts are hitting the floor today.
Oh,
Yeah, unfortunately.
we have to clean up this mess.
I'll get the broom in a little bit. But we're still eating, aren't we?
Uh-huh.
Where did we buy these peanuts?
From my food snack.
From the fruit stand. That's right.
I got airplane, fly it, got the crackers, got a car.
You did lots of things. And what else was at the fruit stand? Airplanes and tractors and cars. And what else? Who else did we see there? Were there animals? What kind of animals? Do you remember?
Uh-huh.
He's making our dinner.
I have to this out.
No, 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 no. I really like it if you left the shells in there. All right. We about done eating peanuts?
No.
Oh, okay.